In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable search in Google Sites. By the end, your visitors will be able to quickly find pages and content across your site using a built-in search box, which makes navigation smoother and helps people get to what they need faster. Start by opening your Google site in the editor, make sure you're in the site you want to change and that you have edit access. Once the site loads, look toward the top right of the editor for the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click that to open your site's settings panel. This is where Google Sites groups features that control how your site behaves and what your visitors will see. Inside Settings, find the section called Viewer Tools. This area controls tools available to people who view your published site, such as a search box. Click into Viewer Tools and then turn on the search option. When search is enabled, Google Sites adds a search field or a magnifying glass icon to your site's navigation, depending on your layout. On sites with a top navigation bar, you'll usually see a search icon near the right side. On sites with a side navigation, it may appear within the menu. On mobile, it typically lives inside the collapsed menu for a cleaner look. Once enabled, visitors on your published site can type a word or phrase to find matching pages and sections. The search respects your site's visibility and navigation, so it won't surface content that isn't accessible to your audience. It's designed to scan your site's pages and text content, helping people jump directly to relevant sections without digging through menus. If you don't see the search option in Viewer Tools, it may be due to restrictions in your site's design or setup. Certain themes, custom headers, or layout choices can limit where the search box can go, so Google Sites may hide the toggle. In some organizations, administrators control which features are available, which can remove the search setting entirely. If you're working within a company or school account, you may need to check whether your template or admin settings restrict search. Also, if your navigation is fully hidden, the search control may not be offered because there's no place to display it. After turning search on, you're all set. Viewers of your published site will see the search tool and can begin using it right away. And if your site isn't published yet, the feature will appear when you publish. That's all you need to enable search in Google Sites.